ओम साई राम। ब्रह्मांड नायक श्री सच्चिदानंद मूर्ति कलियुग अवतार मा स्वामी भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा वारी दिव्य पाद पद्ममुలకు మా కోటి కోటి వందనములు. Swami, the youth of Gujarat on the occasion of Diwali and the Gujarati New Year present at thy lotus feet a Ras Garba called Radhyali Gujarat. This Anandotsav, a folk dance, is being performed by the youth of SSS VIP village called Rajpura in Gujarat. The soul of Gujarat's folk culture is Ras Garba, which comprises of devotional songs in praise of the Divine Mother. Radhyali, Gujarat depicts the prosperity and happiness achieved at Rajpura, which was earlier badly affected by a lot of problems. After being included in the SSS VIP program by Swami Sankalpa, the village has transformed into a divine village full of peace and prosperity. The villagers of Rajpura, through this song, express their heartfelt gratitude to beloved Lord Sai for bringing about this spiritual transformation. The song also depicts the day-to-day activities of the farmer, who is the backbone of our country. It sings the praises of the great heroes of Gujarat like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dayananda Saraswati, poets like Dalpat Ram and Narmad, who brought about social transformation to Swarnim Gujarat. The state is celebrating 50 glorious years of prosperity and development this year. The youth of Gujarat humbly pray for your divine grace and blessings for all.
जीवन में हमारे आशा की किरण आपने ही दिखाई, गांव को हमारे गले लगाकर प्रेम की ज्योति जलाई। रत्नाकर राजू वंश के साईं की महिमा न्यारी, राजूपुरा को सुखी बनाकर साईं सुन ली विनती हमारी, साईं सुन ली विनती हमारी, साईं सुन ली विनती
रडियाली गुजरात हमारी, रडियाली गुजरात हमारी, रडियाली गुजरात हमारी, रडियाली गुजरात हमारी। गिरनारी मात हमारी, रडियाली गुजरात हमारी, रडियाली गुजरात हमारी, रडियाली गुजरात हमारी। प्रसारिता करवादारा गांधी वल्लभ सपूत तारा, भारत तारणहार हो जीरे जीरे भारत तारणहार, हो जीरे जीरे भारत तारणहार। देश थयो रड़िया तमारो, देश थयो रड़िया तमारो, देश थयो रड़िया तमारो, देश थयो रड़िया, देश थयो रड़िया तमारो, देश थयो रड़िया तमारो, देश थयो रड़िया तमारो। भगवत राम कवि नर्मद ने करा कीर्तिना काज हो धीरे धीरे करा कीर्तिना काज हो धीरे धीरे करा कीर्तिना काज रड़ियाड़ी गुजरात हमारी रड़ियाड़ी गुजरात हमारी रड़ियाड़ी गुजरात हमारी रड़ियाड़ी गुजरात हमारी माता हमारी रड़ियाड़ी गुजरात हमारी रड़ियाड़ी गुजरात हमारी रड़ियाड़ी गुजरात हमारी
స్వామి, మీరు చిన్న పిల్లలతో నవ్వుతూ మాట్లాడుతూ ఉండడం చూస్తే మాకు కూడా మీ సాన్నిధ్యంలో చిన్న పిల్లలుగా మారిపోవాలని అనిపిస్తుంది. స్వామి, when we behold you, the Lord of the universe, talking, joking, blessing and interacting with children, all adults envy these lucky and blessed children. And we really long to become a child in thy divine presence. We know we came to this world pure and innocent, without any blemish or bias. But over the years, we have had to grow, and unfortunately, we have progressed in leaps and bounds, scientifically and technologically. But lost in the jungle of wants and desires, we have formed our own little selfish worlds, and we spend our entire lifetimes trying to make it better. But sad to say, we end up feeling depressed and dejected, for we have strayed far away from the goal of our lives, you, Swami. The play, "The Child is the Father of Man," is an attempt to present the perception of the world of adults through the innocent, pure eyes of a child called Krish. He is an elevated soul seeking a soulmate, whom he finds in the form of Girdhar, a student of Sri Satya Sai School. Hope this play succeeds in bringing out the child in each of us and thus transform earth into heaven. Swami, Gujarat nunchi ochina SSS VIP Yuvakalu, Sri Satya Sai School, మరియు బాల వికాస్ పిల్లలకు ఈ అద్భుతమైన అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన స్వామికి కృతజ్ఞతలు అర్పిస్తున్నాము.
Krish, beta Krish, please wake up. Beta, please wake up. Krish, wake up. Here's your milk. And see, your breakfast is on the dining table. And lunch is in the fridge. Oh my God, I'm already late. Listen, Gangubai will come at 9 o'clock. Ask her to warm up the food for you, okay? Get ready for school. Remember, today is your first day at the new school. The bus will come here sharp at 10:30.
Mom, don't worry. I will take care.
I know. You're such a darling. Oh, it's already 7:05. I would surely miss my 7:30 local. Where is your dad now? I'm sure he's still in the bath. He's such a slow coach.
Hello, I'm no slow coach. I'm up and about since 5. You were the one who overslept.
Enough! I'm fed up of you. You always insult me. Now, are you coming or not?
Coming. Okay, Sunny, be good. Time for Dad to go. See you tonight. And remember to close the door after me. Bye.
Bye, Dad.
Are you coming or not?
Coming, Baba.
Grown-ups are really a confused lot. Oh, you're early today.
Have I and Baba left?
Yes, just now only. Shall I call Dad? He must be in the lift.
Noko. No need. I just came to say I will not be able to work today. You see, one of my uncles died. So beta, you will have to be on your own today, huh? I know you can manage very well. Beta, मैं तो जाती हा?
Okay, bye.
अरे ओ गणपत, थांब मी येते.
Yet another grown-up. I have 3 hours to myself. I think I'm going to complete reading this book today. The Little Prince. He's one person who seems sensible to me. And his observation about grown-ups is so right.
He says grown-ups love figures. If you were to tell the grown-ups, I saw a beautiful house made of rosy bricks with roses in the windows and doves on the roof, they would not be able to get any idea of that house at all. You would have to say to them, I saw a house that cost 40 lakhs. Then they would exclaim, oh, what a pretty house that is. They are like that. One must not hold it against them. Children should always show great forbearance towards grown-up people.
Little Krish dozes off while reading, and in his dream, he sees himself in place of the little prince and visits various people on different planets, cocooned in their own worlds.
Here is a subject.
Subject? How could he recognize me when he has never seen me before?
Approach so that I may see you better.
Sir, who are you? What work do you do?
How foolish! Can't you see? I am the king. I don't work. I make others work for me.
King? Sir, over what do you rule?
Don't address me as sir. You should say, Your Royal Highness, and I rule over everything. I am an absolute monarch. The planets, the stars, the galaxies, they all obey my orders.
Wow! Sir, I mean, Your Highness, I should like to see a sunset. Please order the sun to set.
Ah, a sunset. Let me see. Even I would like that. But you see, I should not make unreasonable demands from my subjects.
My sunset.
Oh, your sunset. I shall certainly order the sun to set when conditions are favorable, and you will see how promptly the sun obeys me.
When will that be?
Yeah, it is. It says at 6:06 today evening is the right time for me to order the sun to set, and you will see how well I am obeyed.
I would like to go.
No, you cannot go. You are the first subject I have had in many years. Well, let us see. I will make you the Minister of Justice.
Minister of Justice? But there is nobody here for me to judge.
Then you will judge yourself. That is the most difficult thing to do.
But I can judge myself wherever I am. So please order me to go.
Okay, I order you to go as my ambassador.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
The grown-ups are very strange. Good morning. That is a hat you are wearing?
It is a hat to raise and salute when people admire me. But unfortunately, nobody at all ever passes this way. So you admire me.
How?
Admire me.
How?
Okay, let us see. Clap your hands. Come on, yes, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Yes, come on, clap your hands. Come on, yes, clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. Yeah!
What does that mean? Admire?
To admire means that you regard me as the handsomest, the best dressed, the richest, and the most intelligent man on this planet.
But you are the only man on your planet.
Do me this kindness. Admire me just the same. Yes, just the same. Yes, just the same. Just the same.
Okay. I admire you. But I wonder, what is there in that to interest you so much? The grown-ups are certainly very odd. Good morning.
15 and 7 makes 22. Good morning. 22 and 6 makes 28. 28 and 5 makes 33. Phew. Then that makes 501,622,733.
501 million what?
Hey, are you still there? 501 million. I can't stop. I have so much to do. 2 and 5 make 7.
501 million what?
Oh, those little golden objects in the sky?
Bees?
Oh no, tiny twinkling glittering objects that set lazy men dreaming.
Ah, you mean the stars?
Yes, that's it. Stars. Twinkle, twinkle little stars.
And what do you do with 501 million stars?
What do I do with them? Why? Of course I own them.
And what good is it to you to own the stars?
It makes me rich. It makes it possible for me to buy more stars when they are discovered.
How is it possible to own stars?
To whom do they belong?
They belong to nobody.
Then they belong to me, for I was the first one to think of it.
Is that all that is necessary?
Yes.
Okay, but what do you do with them?
I count and recount them. and put them in a bank.
What does that mean?
It means I write the number of the stars on a piece of paper and put it in a drawer under lock and key. Understand?
I myself own a plant. I water it every day. It is of some use to my plant that I own it. But you are of no use to your stars. Oh, but where is he? Hello? Hello? Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Hello? Good morning, sir. Why have you just put out your lamp?
Those are the orders.
What are the orders?
The orders are that I put out my lamp. Good evening.
Why have you lighted it again?
Those are the orders.
I do not understand.
There is nothing to understand. Orders are orders. I have too much to do. Don't disturb me.
Of all the grown-ups I met, this one seemed to be the best. For he thought of something other than himself. And he was doing something useful, like lighting the street lamp, brightening the way for others. But he could not think or reason. Well, nothing or no one is perfect. What is that big book? What are you doing?
I am a geographer.
What is a geographer?
Don't you know? A geographer is a scholar who knows the location of all seas, rivers, towns, mountains, and deserts.
That is very interesting. And your planet is very beautiful. Has it any mountains?
I don't know.
Any rivers?
I don't know.
Any towns, deserts, seas?
That also I don't know.
But you're a geographer.
Yes, exactly. I am a geographer, not an explorer. You see, I note down what explorers tell me. I also expect them to get some proof of the place they have discovered.
Do you mean to say that you have never been to the places you write about?
Yes. I mean, no. I have never gone anywhere. But wait a minute. You seem to be an explorer. Tell me, what have you seen?
Well, maybe I am an explorer. I am looking for a soulmate.
Well, that sounds very philosophical. And I could never understand such matters.
Not one of them seems to have any clarity. Each one is lost in his own little selfish world. Please, God, find me a true friend, someone who'd really understand me.
Krish, my child, do not lament thus. God alone is your true friend, and He is everywhere at all times. I am sending your soulmate very soon.
Hello. Who are you? You must be Krish. Yes, I am called Krish. And who are you? I am Girdhar. But I have a question, my friend. I wonder who I really am. How do you know me? I am your soulmate,
And then you might also be wondering from where you have come, what is the purpose of life?
Oh, yes. How do you know?
It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is essential is invisible to the eye.
You are right. But you are the first person who seems to really understand me.
Krish, my brother, as I said earlier, I am the soulmate you are looking for. Krishna Bhagwan sent me to you.
Who? Krishna Bhagwan? You mean Sri Krishna, as in the Mahabharata?
Yes.
Can I also meet him? Where can I meet him? Will he answer my questions?
Of course you can meet him. It is very easy to meet him, for he is everywhere at all times, and he doesn't make you wait. He is beyond time and space. All you need to do is call out to him sincerely with faith.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Kali Yuga Nachiketas, you're having questions?
Bhagwan, Krish has a few questions.
Okay, but you answer my questions first.
Sure, Bhagwan.
What is your name?
Bhagwan, this body is called Girdhar.
Who are your parents?
Tvameva matascha pita tvameva. Tvameva bandhuscha sakha tvameva. Tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva. Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva.
Good boy. Where did you come from?
From you, Bhagwan.
Oh, from me?
Yes, Bhagwan. The whole world comes from you.
Where are you staying now?
I stay inside your heart, Bhagwan.
Okay, where do I stay?
You stay inside all our hearts.
And what does this signify?
Bhagwan, it means that you and I are one. In fact, the ultimate truth is that you alone exist. All are but your many forms. Ekoham bahushyam. Bhagwan, you have declared thus in the Vedas.
Oh, how do you know all this?
You only have taught me all this. Yes, my lord, you alone are my guru. You are the only true guru for everyone in the world.
What do you want?
I only want you, Bhagwan. If I have you, I will have supreme bliss. In the Bhagavad Gita, you have said, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja. Renounce all and take refuge in me alone.
Krish, are your questions answered? Or do you have any doubts still?
No, Bhagwan. Now I know. You alone are the goal of my life. But I do not know how I can reach you. The mundane world is a great distraction.
The mundane material world is also my form. So you have to love and serve everyone to reach me. Live in the world like the lotus, which is born out of mud, but does not even have a speck on it. let me drive the car of your lives. And you surrender totally, giving up all worries.
Oh God, what a dream! It's already 10. I have to rush to school. I wonder how this new school will be like. Sri Satya Sai School.
Coming. Sai Ram, welcome my dear soulmate.
Sai Ram. That was no dream, was it?
Every dream in which God appears is a reality. Krish, you know it.
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
Welcome to the new academic session. Let us start with 3 Omkars. Now, please close your eyes. We are going to have a guided visualization. Imagine Krishna and Arjuna are in the middle of the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Arjuna is full of doubts and questions. But even in the middle of a battlefield, Krishna is full of bliss. He guides Arjuna and clears all his doubts. Now, put yourself in Arjun's place and listen carefully. Krishna will talk to you. Would anyone like to share what Krishna told you?
Teacher, please let me share.
Of course, my dear Nivedit.
Teacher, Krishna told me that the soul never dies. It's only the body that dies. And I know Krishna said this because I have been so distressed since my father's passing away. Teacher, thank you very much for this guided visualization.
My child, Krishna is always with us and you can talk to him any time. In the Kali Yuga, Sri Krishna is surely amidst us in the form of Sai Krishna, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, and he is waging a great war against the evils in man with the divine weapon of love. And he says his students are the Sai Gopalas and Sai Gopikas.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram.
Mom, Dad, what happened? Why are you both crying?
Krish, my child, Dadu is no more. He died just 10 minutes ago. We got a call.
Dad, do not grieve. The soul never dies. It's only the body that dies.
Krish, how do you know this? Who told you?
Thanks for putting me in Sri Satya Sai School. I have found my soul mate and also my God and Lord.
Krish, you who loved your Dadu so much, we were worried that you would be very upset.
But you are so calm and collected.
And son, you talked about your Lord God. Who is he?
He is Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, the Kali Yuga Krishna.
Krish, I hope you have not been watching some religious mumbo jumbo on TV. Have you?
Oh God, how do I make you understand? Bhagwan, please forgive me. I do not doubt your existence. But my parents need proof. They are grown-ups. Please, my Lord, do something to convince them that I am telling the truth.
Listen to your son. You are really lucky to have such wonderful, self-realized souls as your children. They will show you the way to reach me. Children like them, my students, alone are my true property, and they shall redeem this world and establish Sai Rajya. Yes, it is indeed true that the child is the father of man.
Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir-bhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami
श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आवर बांधवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैव ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्र शरण ओम जय जगदीश हरे साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुक मंगल आरती मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति शांति शांति